Are you okay? Yo. How do you zoom in? My name is Htoo and this is me before the hike.
Htoo, and this is me before the hike.
Hello, it's Wa. This is me before the hike.
This is me before the hike.
Hi, it's Say. It's me before the hike.
So guys, there's a lot of stairs on this track. Look at that. You can see.
It's a solar panel.
Wow.
I think that's a solar panel.
Oh. Hey guys, we are on the track, the lighthouse track, the house track. Is it called the house track? This is what the view looks like. This took us 35 minutes to get here, but we gotta go up there now. At the top over there. That's where the actual hike begins, because it's all uphill. Still. See, we're resting. There's more. The camera might die before we reach the top, but I hope it doesn't. See you there.
Looks nice. You collect it.
Wow. So guys, it's very steep up this track. Look at that. Let's keep going. My bag is so heavy. Oh, someone is running down. This is Law after the hike. This is This is Law after the hike. Not after, it's during. Is this during? Yeah. Oh. We made it to the top.
Looking alone.
No, the new one, I want to try.
This reminds me of that waterfall hike.
Oh, they said the summer thing. I remember. On the website, they said that there's a little chain you have to hold on. Guys, we made it to the top.
Yes, please.
This is me after the fight.
It's not after yet, during. After yet.
Halfway through, gotta walk down this, climb back up that hill right there. Down to the car park. Hi, my name is Knyaw. I'm the camera girl, and this is me after Omanawanui Track.
After the hike.
After the hike.
I did it. After the hike. See?
See you after the hike. continue after the hike.
đâu phải này thứ nó không có đường
After the hike. The camera battery died, but this is the end of the video.
Video, what the heck? I was a photo.
We climbed that. Good job, good job.
I look forward.